It's pretty steep.
Very steep. I'm gonna have two hikers.
Crickers.
Ow! Ow!
It's so hot. I'm glad we decided to do it at high noon.
It is high noon.
and girls. Bruna and Johnny here, along with
Susie.
Southside Susie. Okay, that's a wrap on the Upper Calf Creek Trail. We did both the upper and lower.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah, it was
Pretty
supposed
steep.
to be pretty easy, and it turned out to be kind of hard.
No, we thought it was easy because we didn't think it was that long, but it's a
Yeah.
hard hike.
Yeah.
Steep.
Anyway, yeah, it took us about 2.5 hours. We stopped and had lunch, and we ate. We took a lot of videos and stuff. But
It's on top of the waterfalls.
yeah, it's on
beautiful.
top of the waterfalls where we ate.
Yeah, it was really pretty.
Really gorgeous. A lot of the hike is on sand, and it's kind of like the kind they use in
Hourglass.
like an hourglass. It's really fine. It's a fine sand, and then a lot of it's on steep, slip rock type of terrain. And then around the waterfall on top, it could be very dangerous if you don't watch your step. You could slip right off.
Steep
Right?
and rocky boulders.
Yeah, steep and rocky. All in all, I rank this up there. It's a beautiful hike. I think the average person could do it if they take their time. We see young kids, 6 and up, probably hadn't have any problem.
We were huffing and puffing.
Easy down, hard coming back down. Keep that in mind. It's a little bit like the Grand Canyon, but
Right.
not nearly that hard. But anything else?
No, it's good.
Bring a lot of water.
Nice picnic spot.
Do it in the early spring or
Yeah.
late fall. Don't
It's
do it.
hot.
Don't want to do it in the summertime.
Whew.
Anyway, that's it for the Calf Creek hike.
Utah.
Another one on
Outside of
another
Escalante.
notch in our belt, and stay tuned for more. Route 9 Johnny,
Outside Susie.
Southside Susie. We're out of here.
That's so pretty.